How old do you have to be to work at Target? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how old you need to be if you want to work at Target, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to basically work at Target, it is actually quite simple to do, because let's say you are an employee who's trying to take a job at Target.com, maybe in store or maybe in the corporate office, depending on what you're looking for. If I just go to Google and then search for it, you can see it says to apply for hourly positions at Target stores and our distribution centers, you must be at least 16 years old to apply for a Target store job. Now, the other thing it doesn't tell you is that, however, if you want to work in a corporate office, you need to be 18 years of age. So if you want to work in a store, you need to be over 16 years of age. If you want to work in the corporate office, you need to be 18 years of age or older. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.